Katydids are similar to grasshoppers and crickets. They have powerful hind legs and large wings they use to jump from place to place, and they're known to eat leaves and fruit. Large enough infestations may cause significant damage to shrubbery, and, though uncommon, they may bite people. In this video, we'll go over how to identify katydids on your property and how to get rid of them to keep your trees, bushes, and other landscaping safe. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are thousands of katydid species worldwide, but only a few can be found in North America. Katydids look strikingly similar to grasshoppers, but don't be fooled. These are still two different pests. Here's how to tell them apart. Adult katydids are always a vibrant green color with veiny wings, lending to a leaf-like appearance. Grasshoppers can be green too, but they can also be yellow, brown, and other colors, usually with a speckled pattern. Keep in mind that nymphal katydids can be different colors, but once they reach adulthood, they become the bright green color they're known for. Katydids are sometimes called longhorned grasshoppers or bush crickets, probably because they have long antennae. In contrast, actual grasshoppers have very short antennae. Finally, female katydids have long, pointed ovipositors that you may see extending past the wings. Grasshoppers, on the other hand, have shorter, blunt ovipositors. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Katydids are omnivores, so check bushes, shrubs, and trees, and you may find eaten leaves. The nymphs are known to do more damage than the adults since they tend to hang around in one spot, whereas adult katydids will jump around more frequently. Also, look for other insect activity, like aphids, as those are also prey for katydids. Other than searching for them, the best way to determine if you have katydids is to listen for their chirps. The sounds may differ between species, but they generally sound like this. Or like this. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Katydids deposit their eggs into soil, plant stems, and tree bark, and can overwinter to survive harsh temperatures. So to best control them, we recommend you apply some sort of residual insecticide. Before making your pesticide application, clean up your yard and trim vegetation around your home to reduce the sites katydids may harbor in. Prune away long tree branches and shrubs, mow the grass to its recommended height, rake away leaf litter, and pick up other plant debris. Next, you'll want to apply an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate made with bifenthrin, so it's labeled to control a wide variety of insects. When applied, it leaves a residual effect that will control treated areas for up to 90 days. Katydids spend the majority of their lives in elevated areas, like on trees, so to reach those spots, apply Supreme IT with a hose end sprayer. For ornamental plants like shrubs and trees, the application rate is 10.8 to 21.7 fluid ounces of product applied per 100 gallons of water. For broadcast treatments and lawns, the application rate is 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces applied over 1,000 square feet. Apply your solution over ornamentals and shrubbery, being sure to treat both the top and bottom of any leaves. Spray trees by spraying several feet up the trunk and several feet out. In order to reach the tree's branches or any other tall areas, you can remove the hose end sprayer's tip for a powerful stream of solution. Allow the treated areas to dry completely. Insects that make contact with the spray or its residual effect will have their nervous systems impacted and will die in several hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop katydid activity is to make sure it can't happen. To ensure katydids don't reinfest your property, keep up with routine lawn care and maintenance. Maintain your trees and shrubs, and continue to mow your lawn regularly when the grass grows too tall. Proper care will reduce the number of spots katydids have to hide in. Finally, be sure to keep up with scheduled applications of Supreme IT. One application lasts for up to 90 days, so we recommend you make re-applications every 3 months to ensure protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop katydids from eating your trees and shrubs, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.